Understanding Baltimore's unique climate. Baltimore's climate is characterized by humid summers, cold winters, and frequent precipitation throughout the year. Located along the mid-Atlantic coast, the city experiences a mix of coastal humidity and continental chill, making energy efficiency and home comfort a year-round concern. Summers often bring high humidity levels that can lead to indoor heat buildup, while winters can drop below freezing, creating drafts and condensation problems in poorly sealed windows. This combination of temperature swings and moisture means homeowners must pay close attention not only to the quality of their windows but also to how they are installed. Even the best energy-efficient window won't perform as intended if installation errors leave gaps, poor seals, or improper alignment. Why proper installation matters. Proper window installation plays a critical role in ensuring energy efficiency, comfort, and durability in Baltimore homes. The installation process directly impacts how well a window insulates and resists air and water infiltration. A well-installed window provides tight seals against moisture. Baltimore's humid summers and rainstorms can introduce moisture into small crevices. Correct installation prevents leaks that could cause rot, mold, and frame damage. Improved energy efficiency. When windows are installed correctly, they minimize air leakage, helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This reduces the workload on HVAC systems and lowers utility bills. Protection from drafts and condensation. In cold winters, a precise fit and quality insulation around the window frame prevent chilly drafts and condensation buildup, both of which can impact indoor comfort and long-term structural integrity. The consequences of poor installation. Improper installation can quickly undermine the benefits of even the most advanced windows. In Baltimore's fluctuating climate, the effects of a bad installation are magnified. Common issues include air leaks and energy loss. Gaps or uneven seals allow warm or cool air to escape, increasing heating and cooling costs. Water damage. Rainwater can seep into the walls or framing, leading to costly repairs and potential mold growth. Frame warping and cracking. Inconsistent pressure and moisture exposure may cause wooden or vinyl frames to warp or deteriorate prematurely. Reduced lifespan of the window. A poorly installed window will wear out faster, requiring early replacement. Homeowners often underestimate how much these small errors can add up. Over time, poor installation could mean higher maintenance costs, decreased property value, and a less comfortable home environment. How proper installation supports energy efficiency. Baltimore homeowners frequently invest in energy-efficient windows such as double-pane, low-E, or argon gas-filled models. However, without correct installation, these features can't deliver their intended performance. A professional installer ensures that each window is level, sealed, and properly insulated according to manufacturer specifications. This step is crucial to prevent thermal bridging, a condition where heat transfers through gaps or poorly insulated sections around the window frame. By minimizing air infiltration, a properly installed window maintains stable indoor temperatures, helping your heating and cooling systems operate more efficiently. This means lower energy bills, a smaller carbon footprint, and a more comfortable living space year-round. Choosing the right installation professionals. Given Baltimore's variable weather, working with experienced local installers is essential. Professional installers understand how to adapt to the region's unique conditions, such as managing humidity during sealing, using weather-resistant flashing materials, and ensuring the correct fit for older or historic homes common in the area. When selecting a contractor, look for certifications and experience with local climate conditions. Ask about insulation and sealing techniques they use. Ensure they follow manufacturer guidelines for the specific window type you purchased. A reliable professional won't just install the window, they'll ensure it performs optimally for Baltimore's demanding weather conditions. Final thoughts. In Baltimore, where humidity, temperature swings, and precipitation put constant pressure on your home's exterior, proper window installation isn't just a finishing touch, it's a fundamental part of home efficiency and comfort. Investing in skilled installation protects your home from moisture damage, reduces energy costs, and enhances long-term performance. For homeowners aiming to stay comfortable through muggy summers and brisk winters, the solution is simple. Pair high-quality windows with expert installation to ensure lasting value and resilience in Baltimore's ever-changing climate.